You may be asked to sketch gradient functions in your exam, and this is especially true if you're on the OCR exam board. This next question was question 5 on the OCR 2022 paper. Let's step through it together, and I'm going to show you how you can sketch gradient functions on your Casio FX-CG50. So the diagram shows a curve for which y is inversely proportional to x. What that means is y is equal to some constant k over x. The curve passes through the point 1 and minus a half. That will be used to help us find k. Determine the equation of the gradient function for the curve. We can't find the gradient function until we find what the curve is equal to, so let's plug everything in. This gives us k equals minus a half. So our function y is equal to minus a half over x. Now to find the gradient function, it's probably best to rewrite this in power form. And then we can find dy by dx. We multiply by the power. That gives us a half, and we minus 1 from the power. This is the same as 1 over 2x squared. That should be enough for 3 marks. And then we want to sketch the gradient function. I'm going to show you how to do this on your calculator. So you want to hit the graph option, and then you want to type in your original equation of your graph. So we know that was minus 1 over 2x. And then we also want to get the gradient function for this. So if you press option, calc, F1 for d by dx, and then it should be y1, which is our first graph. If you hit execute, that will populate for all values of x, like it did there, and then let's draw. So our blue line is our original graph, and then our gradient function is there in red. You can see here that the gradient gets steeper and steeper, and so does the gradient function. And the same happens on the negative. I hope this was helpful. It's really useful having a graphical calculator, especially with questions like this.